Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever noticed how AI-generated videos can look amazing, but then objects suddenly morph or disappear when the camera turns? This happens because most video AIs are essentially just predicting the next picture without truly understanding the 3D world. Researchers have just introduced a new framework called World-R1 that aims to fix this melting effect. Instead of completely rebuilding the AI, they used a training method inspired by how humans learn through feedback. This technique, known as reinforcement learning, rewards the model when it produces a video that makes geometric sense. To make this work, they built a massive dataset of 3,000 unique text prompts specifically designed to test 3D space. They didn't even need expensive 3D video data. They used a clever way to turn pure text descriptions into spatial rules. One of the coolest parts is how they used other AI critics to evaluate the model's work. One critic checks if the 3D structure is solid, while another ensures the video still looks high quality and artistic. They also introduced something called noise wrapping, which helps the AI plan camera movements before it even starts drawing. This allows for complex shots like orbiting around an object or pushing through a long corridor without the scene falling apart. However, strict 3D rules can sometimes make an AI too rigid, preventing it from showing things like flowing water or moving hair. To solve this, the team used a periodic training strategy that switches between 3D rules and dynamic, fluid motion. This balance ensures that a lion's mane can still blow in the wind while the background stays perfectly stable. When tested against other popular models, World-R1 showed a massive improvement in structural stability. In user studies, 92% of people preferred the 3D consistency of this new approach over standard models. It successfully stops walls from warping and prevents objects from floating away during camera pans. This means the AI isn't just mimicking pixels anymore. It is starting to simulate a coherent physical world. Let's recap what this breakthrough actually means for the tech world. First, it proves we can make existing AI models much smarter without needing massive new hardware or totally new architectures. Second, it bridges the gap between simple video generation and true world simulation. Imagine a future where VR environments or video games can be generated instantly from just a few sentences. This technology could also be vital for training self-driving cars and robots in perfectly consistent virtual realities. By teaching AI the hidden laws of geometry, these researchers are paving the way for more immersive digital experiences. The days of glitchy AI videos might soon be over as these models learn to respect the 3 dimensions we live in. It is a significant step toward creating AI that doesn't just see the world, but understands how it's built. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the future of video generation on Summarize Science. If you enjoyed this summary of World-R1, make sure to stay tuned for more breakthroughs.